there's no reason to record here. There's nothing wrong with recording. Mail when we get back, just in case possibly your screen protectors.
Okay.
Is it paused? Austin, did you pause it?
Just until we get to the exit. Well, everybody, Pilgrim EAS here. It's after 5:30 p.m. this evening. The snow has ended. It's clear skies as far as the eye can see. And we're getting pizza. So I'm coming to my new favorite spot in the area. So bear with me.
My boy. Mom, I just wanted to let you know, after work, I went to the house, everything's shoveled. I shoveled the pathway from the driveway around the front of the house to the side stairs. I'm like, really? Yep. Enough followers.
The pizzas are just going to be a few minutes.
Okay, sounds good to me.
It really did.
37:30.
There you go.
It's just being really slow right now.
Yeah, no, I gotcha.
For the fries though before I forget.
Cool, thank you.
Sorry, I tried.
So this is a Plymouth House pizza. Voted the best slice of pie in town. All those incredible awards up there. So, highly recommend this if you're in town. So kind of give you an idea of the decor. Not really quite for the decor, but definitely something. All right, so we just grabbed the za, and there is my ride. See you back with some more exciting footage later tonight.